Now in the second video, the topic is rusting of iron. It is from your book only. Okay, rusting of iron, maybe you know about it. I have explained it earlier also. See, when any metallic object it left exposed to moist air, or you can say when they come in contact with air, moist air, or you can say air and water, then that metal will chemically react. Okay, they will react chemically with oxygen and water, you can say. Okay, or moist air means humid air. Okay, then when they chemically react, they form a reddish brown substance, or a reddish brown flaky substance, which is called as rust. Okay, so chemically you can show it by this equation, or by the reaction: iron plus oxygen gives plus water gives out rust, or it will be called as iron oxide. Okay, symbolically you can represent it like Fe for iron, O2 for oxygen, H2O for water gives out Fe2O3. So here these three are reactants and this one is product. Okay, so rust, maybe you have seen, it is common process or common chemical process. Okay, or you can say it is a chemical change. See the pictures, these are rusted iron nails and this is rusted chain. Okay, now rusting occurs in presence of both oxygen and water. It means the condition, if you may be asked the question that what are the two conditions for rusting, then they will be presence of oxygen and water. Okay, if oxygen and water, or air and water, are present, then there are more chances of a metal that it will get rust. Okay, so the more humid the air, the faster the rusting occurs. Okay, that's why in monsoon season metals rusted faster. Alright, the rust slowly eats away or corrodes the iron. Alright, you can say that rust, it slowly eat the metal. Okay, or it corrode the metal, and then it will lead to considerable loss, because after rusting metal, you can say it will be of no use if you will not prevent it from rusting. Alright, now how can you prevent rusting? See, rusting can be prevented by not allowing iron to come in contact with moisture and air. You just prevent the metal from water and air, then you can prevent it from rusting. Now the simplest way is to coat the iron with oil, grease, or paint. One more thing you can do, one thing that you just prevent it from air and water, and another method is that you just coat the metal with oil, grease, and paint. Okay, these coats should be applied regularly to prevent rusting, as you can see in the picture also. See, now next is another method, galvanization, to prevent rusting. It is a more efficient method. In this method we coat metal with zinc or chromium. Okay, and we deposit a layer of zinc on iron, and this process is called as galvanization. All right, and the iron pipes we use in our homes to carry water, they are actually galvanized to prevent rusting, because they have to carry water, and water can cause rusting in them. So they are galvanized. You can see in the picture also how they are galvanized. All right.